So now this is the press shop, I think, by the noise. Guys, it's quite clearly the press shop now. So it's blanks over there, as you can see. And I'll have to shout a bit over here. I'm sorry, but see, there's door panels and robots over here. I can't talk too much so you guys can hear me, but this quite clearly is the press shop. And those are the dies they use. I mean, I know I can't hear what the lady up front is saying, but sort of, this is my first dance at the car factory. There's the door panel over there. I guess when you make close to 7 million cars a year, you really don't have a big deal about people making videos. See robots over there acting. So the robot puts the blank in, it gets stamped. Those are usually between 400 to 1,000 tons of pressure come in the part, and they become ready-made doors like that. So obviously this is seems like a sedan, I guess, or a hatchback. I can't make out what car door panel this is. So the blank goes in, and that's the guy checking it over there. I don't know if you can hear that. That's the guy checking the panels, and then they'll be sent to the weld line to be welded together. Those are the robots. They haven't seen a car plant before. Those are the robots taking the pressed metal steel stamped parts out of the die, and that's a full machine over there. So this is always the noisiest part of a car factory. But that as well, that is a bit quieter than Maruti's Gurgaon plant. These finished dies over here. Okay, now we are going to the body workshop now, and yep, a bit of traffic over here. There's a body workshop, again should be completely robotic, welding robots doing spot welding. As you can see there down the line, there'll be sparks flying all over the place. If you have noticed, there are not too many people out here. I don't know how deep inside we'll be going, but oh well, that's, I don't know, what do you call it? What is a collective for a group of robots? I don't know, but there should be, because that's a big group of them there. So the stamp plates you saw being stamped out, those blank dies, steel dies being stamped out, those are all attached together at a body workshop. So now I think we'll be going to the middle of, wow, this should be fun. Yeah, more dies there. That's the fuel tank. That's a jig where the welding happens. And you can make out that's where the spare wheel goes. Wow. There's more going on over here. Action! I'm sorry there's not a clear view, but there's only so much you can do for safety reasons as well. Oh, that's a laser welding shop if it's inside the red thing. Those are called laser welding shops. So that's very accurate welding. Usually done to attach the roof panel to the car. So after some panels have been put together, see, that's where the roof has already been put together over there. That's where it looks. Then we come back here. At one point of time, these used to be full of workers. The first car factory I went to actually was the Hindustan Motors factory, Uttarpada, close to my village back in Bengal. And that, well, everything was man-made. The car was pretty much handmade, other than maybe a couple of stamps done. So you can see some robot action in the background. No, there's sparks going around. Let's try and get some sparks, yeah? Lots of robot action. More and more and more sparks, yeah. So, yeah, that's finished car. It looks like an SUV. I think that's RX-5, I guess. These are more over here. I don't know how clearly you can hear me. I'll probably do a dub over this. If you can't, otherwise, well, whatever. So that's when the doors, everything has been attached to the car. I remember the final assembly line, the doors are actually taken off the car. So the entire car goes to the paint shop as one unit. The bonnets, the hoods, bonnets, and the rear tailgates. This music is the same across car factories. I don't know if they're contractually obliged to play that tune. See, this is the light weight, so they look for any errors in the welding, anything happens here. So it's under really bright light, so they can look at everything. So they make sure there are no scratches or anything like that before the car goes to the paint shop. So that's the MG3, which is a small car, and yeah, that's it. There are more guys. So that's SAIC, what they're producing. Yeah, well, employee of the month, I guess, somewhere. More stuff in Chinese that I really can't understand, but well, it's a fairly efficient factory. As I said, the workers do 11-hour shifts. That's much more than anybody else I know, much more than us. And they wonder why the Chinese have gone so far ahead.